The shortest distance between 2 points is Yashar, a straight line. Immediately after the Aseres Adibros and the Shema in this week's Parsha, and this week's Parsha has the 10 Commandments and the first paragraph of the Shema, the Torah commands us that the Jewish people must draw upon that spiritual straight line. This pasuk, Va'asisa hayashar va'atov. After getting the Torah and getting the Shema, we now have to follow that straight line, that pathway toward our destiny. A straight line is a mathematical equation which starts at a particular nekuda, a point, and extends outward and forward toward its end point, toward its destination. A line which follows this pathway is called a true line. It is true, it is straight, it is yashar. As it leaves its starting point, does not veer off the path, and achieves its destiny, its mission. It travels toward its goal. Therefore, the word serara, which means leadership, is a derivation of that word. Serara means leadership or mastery. Mastery over our inclinations to go left or right. Srara, a leader, to be able to be yashar. For ourselves to maintain internal srara, internal leadership over ourselves, over our inclination to be tempted left or right, we have to have internal stamina. Where in the Torah is there a person who achieved this internal stamina? The Torah tells us in Breshis, chapter 32, pasuk 29, and he said, your name shall no longer be called Yaakov, but Yisroel, for you have striven with God and with men, and you have prevailed. Vayomer lo Yaakov ye'amer od shimcha ki'im Yisrael. Your name will no longer be Yaakov, but Yisrael. What is the derivation of the word Yisrael? The root word is kisarisa. Yisrael, kisarisa. You have striven im Elokim v'im anashim vatuchal. You have striven with the angel of God, and you have succeeded. The word sarisa comes from the word yashar, and that is the root word of Yisrael. The power to drive forward to destiny, to overcome inclinations left and right, and to be yashar, to be Yisrael. As King Solomon says in Mishlei, chapter 16, pasuk 17, the highway of the upright is to depart from evil. He that keeps his way preserves his soul.